Hey everybody, Andrew here from Rip and Flip Card Breaks and Box Opening tonight. Box opening or number 10 from the new version of the channel. Just going to open this for a bit of fun. 36 packs, a lot of packs to get through tonight. So we'll get cracking. We'll just smash through them as quickly as I can, but it'll all come down to whether or not I can actually open the packs easily enough. Looking for predictors, booms, any of those other inserts that we are looking for. There's plenty of types, the Mercuries and whatever else. There is a lot of packs, 36 packs in total. So let's just get stuck into it, get cracking. Move that back a little bit. See if we can get any cards for the collection from the Cats. Secondarily, any good cards for someone else potentially. So Josh Dunkley in the Luminous, not numbered these ones, and the Footy Heads, Tim Taranto. Do like the base cards for these. A little bit nicer than last year's ones. Either that or I'm just used like gotten over the previous ones. Luminous, Ollie Dempsey from the Cats, and a Jordan Dawson from Adelaide Crows in the Accelerate, I think they called them this year. I think he's in those bits very easy. Alrighty, Luminous, Sean Manor, another Cat, and a, oh, that's a good one, Finn O'Sullivan boom card, number 286 of 510. He's been a good rookie this year, old Finn O'Sullivan. Actually put a lot of his cards in all the different releases, good ones too, as well, like gold DPSs, rookie card, signature badge in the seamless, which is really nice. One point I actually thought about just keeping his cards, but decided against it. Finn Callahan in the Luminous, milestones of Dan Butler from the Saints. Luminous Maxi gone, and still side bottom in the Accelerate. If you're interested in any of these base cards, hit me up. Happy to, if you want to just pay for postage, I'm happy to get rid of some of these base cards. Otherwise, they just sit in places for long periods of time. Toby Green and a James Rowbottom in the Rewind. Tend to get quite a few of the rewinds I have in the past. Don't know what the odds are in each box, whether there's a specific amount of those particular cards. Marcus Windhager from the Saints in the Luminous, James Rowbottom in the Footy Heads from the Swannies, who probably finished playing right now. I was watching that before I came in, but they look like they'd had the game against Melbourne pretty well wrapped up, which would have probably been, oh god, there you go, a little while back now for those potentially watching this video. Luminous Luke McDonald from North Melbourne, and a Saints Callum Wilkie in the Octane. The base Octanes, the golds are numbered in the hobby boxes, not in the normal ones. Luminous Elijah Hewitt, and a Footy Heads of Jordan Dawson. Getting through these reasonably quickly. said, there's a lot of packs. Luminous Paddy Cripps from the Blues and an Errol Gooden 100 games from the Swannies. Willem Drew from Port Adelaide there in the Luminous, and a Aaron Cadman in the Octane there from GWS. Archie Perkins from Essendon, and Mark Blitzavs in the, I forgot what they're called now, not the Acetate, the I'm gonna say Afterburner. They'll come back to me. They're an Acetate card. Jordan to go Luminous card there, and another of the Acetate cards, Aaron Cadman from GWS. Those ones actually look really cool in those. That colour seems to pop really well. It's going to drive me nuts what that's called. They're called. I know it starts with A. Alrighty. Jack Graham from West Coast Eagles, and a 100 gamer Darcy Cameron there from Collingwood. Lucky Neal, and a footy heads of Maxi Holmes there. The Boom will be one of our sort of bigger hits. Probably expecting one other numbered card in this. What it is, not really sure. Could be a few different ones. Samuel Banks in the Luminous. The footy heads of Matthew Kennedy. I feel like in last year's base cards, I feel like I hit a little bit more numbered cards, but you know, haven't opened any for a little while. Tom Brown from the Tigers, and a Kai Lohman in the Rewind. Like I said, if anyone wants either the base cards or the base inserts, hit me up. Happy to do something on those, or just cover delivery, and I'll send them out to you. Sam Darcy and a Miles Bergman in the Acetate. I can't remember what it's called. Alrighty. Past the halfway mark now. So there's a lot of packs, 36 packs is a lot. John Noble and an Acetate of George Wardlaw there. Not an Acetate, an Octane. Now I'm calling everything an Acetate card. Good on you. Alright, Joshua Shelley and a footy heads of Zach Williams. And plenty of footy heads tonight. Pretty interested to see what the next select release will be. Samuel Laylaw from the Tigers and Liam Baker from West Coast in the footy heads. Yeah. See what else to spend my money on and buy and open and have a look at and collect for the Catters. Christian Salem and a footy heads of Jack Bowie from the D's as well. We've got a Cooper Sharman from the Saints and a James Sicily in the Acetate. Paul Curtis in the Luminous, and the footy heads of Joshua Weedle. So we're getting a lot of, well, obviously you do get a Luminous in every pack, but plenty of footy heads tonight. Still waiting, hopefully. Well, it looks like we got something there. A Jordan Clark and a North Melbourne Coleman Predictor signature card. Not sure how they're travelled in that space. 166 of a 220. Still, you never know. They're doing a lot better this year than what they have been. And they're milestone 250 games. Charlie Cameron. I don't actually know who's winning the Coleman at the moment. What are we, 9 rounds in, 8 rounds in for the season? Jez has had one good bag from the Cats. I'm assuming someone's leading pretty well at the moment. I just don't know who that is. I have to check that out after this. I even added into this after the fact. When I get the video up on YouTube, I'll suss it out. Aaron Norton and a 100 gamer of Connor Erden from GWS. Final, what do we got? About 10 odd packs left. Josh Tracy and Connor Rosie in the footy heads. Then we'd be lucky enough and pull something additional. So far it's been a pretty good North box. Sure, I better move on those couple of North cars to a collector. I'll go up in the eBay store in the next week or so probably. Ovid Marriage and Harris Andrews from the Brizzy Lions. If you're interested in some cards, anything that we don't keep for ourselves or we didn't pull freaking breaks for somebody, we move on here on the eBay store generally. I just think we do want to get up there sometimes. Liam Duggan on the acetate. So if you're interested, check out Rip and Flip eBay store if you're looking for a few cards. Might have something you like, maybe. Have a bit of a look. Can't hurt to check it out. Nick Martin from the D's and a 200 games of Jaeger O'Meara. His name I haven't heard much this season. If he's even still playing or retired, I've got a feeling he's done that. Harold Goulden from the Swannies and Caleb Sarong in the footy heads. Alright, getting down to the final 5 packs. Bailey Humphreys and the man himself, Harley Reid from the West Coast Eagles. A few good games this season and a few average ones. The West Coast Eagles started off really well, but have kind of died a bit late. Marbo Cho, Luminous, and Harry Sheasel in the acetate. Still hasn't come back to me what they're called. Really it's driving me nuts. Don't want to stop the video just to go and have a look. Hudson O'Keefe from the Blues and another Jacob Constanti there in the Octane. Why not? Last couple of packs. Oh, what are we going to get? Dan Houston from Collingwood. Oh, there we go. A Jake Bowie in the Mercury, number 12 of 425 from the Melbourne Football Club. I really like the Mercuries. They're a nice looking numbered card. So what's that? 3 numbered cards for this box. That's good. I think the last couple of times I've opened these, I've only ended up with 2 numbered cards. So it's always nice to hit something you're not expecting. Just make sure the light's not on them. All about the angles. Last pack. Yeah, just never know, hey? Jordan Dawson and Sammy Taylor in the footy heads. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, all the normal stuff that we all ask you to do. If you're interested in any footy cards, give me a yell. Or if you want to see some box openings of anything in particular, give me a yell. If not, thank you for watching, and we'll catch up with you again in the very near future for another box opening. Excellent.